Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best self-cleaning litter boxes to save you from the pain of scooping in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 10. Pet Daddy Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. Premium choice. If you don't mind paying the piper, the Pet Daddy Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box might be worth the investment since it's the best electric cat litter box we could find. Its powerful system comes with all you need to get started, with advanced technology you can count on. This entire concept reduces or eliminates odors in the home with a completely enclosed design that has a flap in the front to trap odors inside. There is an automatic sensor that detects when the box needs to be scooped and cleaned accordingly. You can wait up to 7 days in between changes, and this box will alert you when it's time for a refresher. We love the non-stick rubber bottom to hold the product in place. Plus, it's effortless to take apart to clean when you need a scrub down. This litter box is made to last, providing advanced technology to scoop, clean, and detect when your kitty does his business. But not everyone will want something so fancy. This self-cleaning cat litter box doesn't need to connect app and just clicking the button to start self-cleaning in convenient and efficient way. So you don't worry about app not being available on the global network or other app problems. Number 9. PetKit Pura X Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. If you'd like your cat to look like they're about to blast off into the stratosphere each time they need to drop off some smelly rockets of their own, this rocket ship-shaped option should be your top pick. The smart litter box has 2 modes to choose from, automatic cleaning or scheduled cleaning, so you can choose what works best for you and your cats. It's also smart and app-controlled with numerous built-in sensors to ensure your cat's safety. However, in the rare case of an emergency, you'll be sent a remote alert to let you know immediately. You'll also be able to tap into real-time data about your cat's business. And possibly best of all, the Pura X also boasts its own independently developed purifying liquid that knocks out nasty odors and formaldehyde to keep your home smelling fresh. Number 8. Catit Design Smart Sift Cat Pan. Catit Design Smart Sift is an automatic cat litter box sifting system that takes the chore out of litter maintenance. Simple yet innovative, Smart Sift's litter sifting design does the scooping for you, so you can say goodbye to your cat litter scooper. To refresh the self-cleaning cat litter box, all you have to do is pull the lever. It's that simple. The lever activates an automated and noiseless pull and refresh process that quickly and efficiently refreshes the litter pan, while collecting waste in a bag. Clean litter is recycled back into the pan and waste clumps are deposited in a collection bin with cat litter liners for easy disposal. Replenishing the litter is also easy. Simply open the maintenance access door on the cat litter box with lid and add as needed. Smart Sift is a large cat litter box with a safe manual system, with no motorized pieces that can heat up or fail over time and no expensive electronic parts to replace. This feature is quiet and safe, making it very kitty-friendly. Smart Sift's sealed design prevents tracking and controls dust, which helps keep your home cat litter dust-free. Additionally, it comes with an integrated cat litter deodorizer carbon filter to absorb odors inside the pan. Features include safe and quiet process, a sealed cat litter enclosure design that minimizes tracking and provides privacy, integrated carbon filter cat litter pad that absorbs odors, a large swinging door that allows cats to enter and exit easily, clear view access window that allows easy monitoring of litter, pull-out waste bin collects waste clumps for easy disposal in cat litter bags, a maintenance access door that allows you to easily replenish litter, and includes one liner for the cat pan as well as one for the pull-out waste bin. To complete your cat supplies with some of the Catit products, check out the Catit cat litter mats, Catit cat litter scoops, and lines of cat toys. Number 7. PetSafe Scoop-Free Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box, 2nd generation. This is a better budget pick for fans of the PetSafe Scoop-Free Ultra that's higher up on our list. It does all the same basics as the Ultra, but strips off a few of the bells and whistles in exchange for some extra cash savings. This model still has decent odor control, a self-sensing cleaning period, non-tracking litter crystals, and easy disposal, the whole shebang. It even includes the Ultra's health counter to keep track of how many times your furry feline uses the box. Not appearing on this pet-safe scoop-free model, however, is Ultra's added timer options and privacy hood. If you and your cat can live without those things, save a few bucks and go for this one. Number 6. Omega Paw Elite Self-Cleaning Roll and Clean Litter Box. While the Omega Paw isn't battery-powered like most of the others in our roundup, it still doesn't require you to scoop up any of the dirty debris that your kitty leaves behind. The simple, roll and clean design of the Omega Paw will make you wonder why you even considered wasting precious electricity in the first place. After your cat does their business, just tilt the box on its side, and it'll sift out the dirty litter into the removable waste tray. Then, just dump the clumps out and you're good to go. It even has a built-in litter step that will catch any extra gunk that your furry friend's paws would otherwise track onto your floors. Not only does its manual nature keep your utility bill a bit lower, you also aren't confined to having to place the Omega Paw near an outlet. Just put it wherever your cat feels most comfortable. The lid also comes off if you want, but it doesn't seem necessary. Number 5. Nature's Miracle Multicat Self-Cleaning Litter Box. Known for their pet cleaning products, this Nature's Miracle Automatic Cat Litter Box is designed to be an easy-to-use option that cleans up after your cat following each use. It's also a great choice for cats that are picky about their litter because it works with almost all kinds. Plus, the box is deep enough to help eliminate litter spillage. It's meant for cats 15 pounds and under and includes a night light so your cat can see its litter box even when all the lights are off. There's also a paw cleaning ramp that allows your cat to clean off its paws before tramping about the house after using the bathroom. Number 4. Pet Zone Smart Scoop Automatic Litter Box. Want an automatic litter box that doesn't keep you awake at night with the sounds of raking litter? Then this is the one for you. Said to be quieter than the competition, the Smart Scoop Cat Litter Box is clean, easy to use, and works with your favorite clumping cat litter. No need to invest in an expensive brand. It's similar in style to standard litter boxes and has high walls for picky cats that tend to make messes. The automatic rake comes through 30 minutes after your cat has gone and it draws any waste into the waste bin. Self-cleaning automatic litter box with smart sensor for triggered activation of cleaning cycle. Motor and scooping rake automatically runs 15 minutes after cat leaves the box with a powerful, yet quiet motor unit. Works with your favorite clumping litter. No need to buy special or costly crystal litter cartridge replacements. Self-cleaning automatic litter box with smart sensor for triggered activation of cleaning cycle. Motor and scooping rake automatically runs 15 minutes after cat leaves the box with a powerful, yet quiet motor unit. Works with your favorite clumping litter. No need to buy special or costly crystal litter cartridge replacements. Best value, proven results. Uses less litter overall, does not waste clean litter, picks up only dirty litter. Box stays the cleanest. Scooping action efficiently picks up waste clumps. Lowest cost to operate. Proven to be significantly quieter with 75% less noise. And better litter containment. The new advanced technology angled deflector with fins and raised height ensures clumps stay inside litter pan, not on the floor. Strong metal rake design keeps litter inside box and for superior scrape action performance. Number 3. PetSafe Scoop-Free Ultra Self-Cleaning Litter Box. This self-cleaning litter box may look just like a traditional litter box except it does all the scooping for you. Built-in sensors let it know when your cat has left, prompting it to rake solid waste into a closed compartment for easy disposal. The litter box also has a health counter to let you know how many times your cat has used it, which can help you become aware of early signs of health issues. This box is designed to work with disposable trays of crystal litter, a type of kitty litter that controls odors better than traditional litter because it is better at absorbing and locking in moisture. However, because crystal litter is so sensitive to moisture, it's best not to keep this litter box in high humidity areas, such as the bathroom or basement. In addition, while these litter trays use less litter than clumping or clay litter, they can get pricey. A pack of 6 disposable trays on Amazon can run you well over $100. And, according to some reviewers, certain cats do not like the feel of crystal litter. Number 2. Cat Genie Self-Washing Cat Box. If you're seeking the ultimate self-cleaning litter box, look no further. Sure, it looks like a mini toilet for your cat, but that's because it pretty much is. It scoops, breaks up, liquefies and flushes cat waste out of your home without you ever having to see or touch it. Seriously. Cat Genie's eco-friendly, washable granules allow your cat to still dig and cover their waste as they would with regular kitty litter. But once they've done their business, it uses cold water and biodegradable Sani solution to sanitize both the bowl and the granules, before drying them and getting them ready for reuse. No scooping and no more dusty cat litter. Number 1. Litter Robot 3 Connect Core Bundle. This fully automated cat litter box boasts a sphere-shaped litter chamber that filters out clumps and recycles the clean and used litter back into the chamber, with Litter Robot claiming that it could reduce your litter usage by up to 50%. The solid waste reservoir is big enough to handle the business of multiple cats, but you'll probably only need to dump it once a week if you have just one cat. Either way, thanks to the Wi-Fi connected app, there's no guesswork when it comes to knowing when it's time to empty. The design is also built with your cat's safety in mind, and won't begin the cleaning cycle until your kitty is out. Its weight sensor is even sensitive enough to stop mid-cycle if your cat tries to climb back in. You can also program how long it waits before going into a cleaning cycle so skittish kitties won't get scared away. This bundle not only nets you the Litter Robot 3 Connect, but also a trio of key accessories to keep your cat happy. You'll get the Litter Robot 3 ramp for easy access, plus the litter trap mat and fence to help contain kicked up litter.